Jai Gurudev students. In last class beta we have completed up to the exercise 3.6. Okay. Now today onwards we are going to start beta exercise 3.7, and in this exercise what is there, we have to find the SCF. Okay, I have noted this question number first, and we have to find the SCF. We have not given by which method we have to find. You already know that we are having three methods to find the LCF. First one is prime factorization method, second one is division method, and third one is long division method. Okay, then it is not specified here by which method we have to find, so I am doing firstly by the prime factorization method. Okay, see that now, if find the SCF of the following number. For you already know what are the prime numbers. I am writing the prime numbers here, and only by those numbers you will do the division. Okay, only by those numbers you will do the division. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Okay, not other than these numbers you will divide. Okay, see that now. First question is 18 and 60. 18 and 60. First I am doing prime factorization of 18. Okay, divided by 2 first. 2 9 ja 18, then by 3, 3 3 ja, and then 3 1 ja. Okay, now go through the next number, that is 60. See it, 2 30 ja, then 2 half of 30 is 15, then by next number is 3. Go in sequence, move in a sequence. Okay, so there will be never any, there you will not have any mistake in this case. If you will move in a sequence now, so you will not have any mistake in the prime factorization. Okay, now go to the, and if you will have any problem, you just make one rub column and do the division first, and that whatever quotient is coming, write that quotient in here in your next column. Okay, now just see beta, we are having 18 right here. 18 is equal to, what are the factors of 18? Means 18, what is the meaning of this? Means 18 can be, we will get 18 if we will multiply these prime numbers. Okay, so write that 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now see that 60 is equal to, what can be? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into, I am writing 2 because only 1 2 we need, so I am writing that 2 away from here. 2 into 2 into 3 or into 5 is also I don't require, so I am writing that one also here away from them. Okay, now you can see that what is the common number. So common number are only these two. So SCF is equal to 2 into 3, and what will be 6. SCF will be 6 in this case. Now see that again, on the, it was A part, now move to the B part. Okay, what is B part? Now see that 34 and 102 prime numbers already I have written, you just follow them only. Okay, now see that 34 to 17, and then 17 is not coming in any other table, so because it is a prime number and prime numbers are not coming in any other table, so 17 1 ja 17. Okay, so next number is that is 102. So do the division in 102 now. Okay, see here now, 2 5 ja 10 or 2 1 ja 2. Okay beta, then by 3 it will come 17, and then by 17 1 ja 17. Okay, now see that beta, 34 is equal to 2 into 17, and 102 is equal to 2 into 17 is also there, and which number is left? 3. So you can write that 3 away from here. So you can see that what can be the SCF. So SCF is equal to 2 into 17, and 2 into 17 means 34 will be your SCF. 34 will be your SCF. See now next one, C part. What is C part of the question? 12 45, 12 45 and 75. Okay, first do in prime factorization of 12. So 2 6 ja, now each and every child, now it should prime factorization you should know very nicely. Okay, because from last means from class 4th onwards, है ना, 4th onwards you are continuously doing prime factorization, and still if you don't know, okay, in this class also continuously I am teaching prime factorization, and last year also I taught you. So better is that beta to learn them. Without prime factorization you can't do anything. Okay, 2 3 ja and then 3 1 ja. Okay beta, now just see, or always write now, whenever you are writing now, 1 is also coming in each and every factor now, so you just write 1 also always, because 1 is also common factor in every number into 1. Okay, so 1 will be always there, 1 will be always there. Okay, 1 will be always there. Now just see what is the next number. For 12 prime factorization we have done. Now see that on 45. For 45 I am doing, see that it will be divisible by 3 first, because it is odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2. Okay, so 15, then again by 3, 3 5 ja, and then 5 1 ja. Okay, now see that, and lastly you can do that 1 1 ja. Now do 75, first 3 25, then 5 5 ja, then 5 1 ja, then 1 1 ja. Okay, now just write here, I am writing 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Always write 1 also, so you will not have any confusion in that. Okay, now write 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 1. 1 I am writing here. Okay beta, now see that, see in what way I am writing. Okay beta, now see that 75 is equal to 3 into 5, 5 you can write under 5, or into 5, or into 1, in this way. Okay, now see that what can be the common factors. Okay, circle the common factors here, 3 and 1, not any other common factors are there. So SCF is equal to 1 into 3, and that will be 3. 1 into 3 means 3, that will be 3. Okay, do up to here. Now see that beta, come to the question number, means C part, up to C part we have done. Now I am doing D part. See that now D part. Okay, D part is that 144 and 198. Do again prime factorization of these numbers. See that 144, no, prime numbers you already know, by which smallest number we will start, by 2. 2 7 ja or 2 2 ja, then by 2 2 3 ja or 2 6 ja, then 2 18 ja, then 2 9 ja, then not by 2, then by 3 3 3 ja, and 3 1 ja, and finally 1 1 ja. Now see that 198, 2 8 2 9 ja 18, and again 1 2 9 ja 18, then not by 2 it will be divisible, then by 3 it will be divisible, 3 3 ja or 3 3 ja. Okay, then by 3 3 1 ja or 3 1 ja, and then 11 1 ja, and then 1 1 ja. Okay, see that how I have done the prime factorization. Afterwards what you will do, 144 right here, 144 is equal to 2 into 2. How many times 2 is there? 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, then write that 198 is equal to 3 into 3 into 1 or only one factor, that is 11, that you can write away from that. Okay, now see that HCF is equal to, now see that which one is the common factor, 3 into 3 or 1, 2 is also there, 2 is also there na, so to write there 2 also. So in this way 2 is also there or 1 is also there. Now see that HCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. So 2, 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 18 1 ja 18. So 18 will be your HCF. 18 will be your HCF. Okay. Now come to the F part. E part, sorry. E part is 480, 480, comma 120. 480, do the prime factorization of 480 now. From 2 start, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja 0, then 2. In this way you can see that half of this number also you have to write. Half of 240, what it will be? 120. Half of 120, what will be? 60. Half of 60, what will be? 30. In this way also you can do. Okay. Then half of 30, 15. Not by 2 now. Okay. Then by 3. 3 5 ja. And then 5 1 ja. These are the prime factorization of this number. Now see that 120. See that 260. Then 2 30. Then by 2 15. Then by 3 5 ja. And then finally 5 1 ja. Now write the prime factors here. For 480, you can write that 480 is the multiplication of all these numbers. Okay, so write it here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2 times 2 is there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 into 3 or into 5. Now see that 120 is equal to, how many times 2 is there? 2 into 2 into 2. Write that 2 into 2 into 2. Then into 3 is there, or into 5 is there, or into 1 will be in everywhere. Now see that 2, 2, 2 common factors I am selecting now. Okay, 3, 5 or 1. Now see that HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, these are common factors. Okay, now multiply them. When we are making the circle for the common factors, and then write that from one group one number will come. Okay, now see that 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, or 24 5 ja, multiply in dub column now. 120. What will be? 120. So what can be your SCF? SCF will be 120. Okay, beta. So in this way you can complete. Now come to the F part now. Come to the F part now. And what is in F part? 225 or 450. Okay. So I am doing from here 225. I am writing here 225. So it will not be divisible by 2 or 3. It can be divisible by 3 maybe. 3 7 ja 21 or 3 5 ja 15. Then by again 3 25 ja. Then by 5 5 ja. And then by 5 1 ja. And by 1 1 ja. Okay. So prime factorization of 225 we have completed. Now come to the beta 450. 450. Same way do for the 450 also. 0 is here, so it is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 2 ja 4, and finally 2 5 ja. Okay. Then by 3 it will be divisible 75. Then by 3 25. Then by 3 5 ja 25. Then by 5 1 ja 5, and finally 1 1 ja. Okay. Now see on right side page I am writing now. Okay, beta. See how I am doing. 225 is equal to 2 25 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. Okay. Now see that 450 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 I am writing away. Common factor I am writing exactly under the given number. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 or into 1. Only 2 extra factor was here, so I am written that factor away from that, so that it will be easy for me to make the circle or to take the common one. See that I can select in this way common factors easily. Okay, now if you can see that what are the common factors. Okay, everybody of you can see here what can be the common factors. Now beta, see here SCF will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. So SCF will be 3 3 ja 9, 5 5 ja 25, 25 9 ja 225 will be your SCF. 225 will be beta your SCF. Okay, now afterwards see that now beta which question now we am G part I am going to do, and afterwards the given part 2 or 3 more part will be there. Those part I am leaving for your practice. Okay, 75 and 125. See that now 75 it will be divisible by 3, so 25, then 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5 and 1 1 ja 1. Okay, now see that 125 see here now it will not be divisible by 3 also, so by 5 only it can be divisible. Okay, 25 5 ja 125, then 5 5 ja, then 5 1 ja, then 1 1 ja. Okay, now see that beta 75 can be written as the multiplication of these prime numbers, 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. Okay, and 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 1 or extra 5 I am writing here away from those ones in this way. Okay, now make the circle beta, select the common factors, round them in such a way as I am doing. Okay, see that SCF will be 5 into 5 into 1. 5 5 ja 25, 25 1 ja 25, so 25 will be beta your SCF. SCF means beta highest common factor. SCF means beta highest common factor that can divide both the numbers equally. Now HI and J part of this question will be your homework. Now I am going to the question number 2. Okay, and question number 2, and in question number 2 what we have to do, see here now beta question number 2. Okay, and what is in question number 2, see that find the SCF of the following numbers. So first question we have done by the prime factorization method. This question we are going to do by the long division method. And how we do the long division method in last exercises also we have learned. Okay, that how we will do the prime factorization and long division method. Somewhere in the previous exercises also it came. At that time also I explained you. Okay, now see that beta, you have seen that these numbers are in increasing order, 20 30 and 40, 20 30 and 40. Okay, so you can see that now firstly I am starting from which question, A part, and in that A part I am writing the numbers firstly in increasing order, already it is given. So in A part 20 30 and 40, first you divide the 30 by 20, smaller number to the second greater number, that is 30. Okay, you can see that 21 ja 20. After that, what remainder has come? 10. That remainder you will divide the previous divisor, that is means 20. Okay, so 10 2 ja 20. So in this way, the last divisor, which after that the remainder is not coming, that will be the SCF of these two numbers. So in this way, what can be the SCF? This 10 will be the SCF of 30 and 20. Okay, now you will write that SCF of 30 and 20 is 10. Now by this 10 you will divide 40. If it will divide 40 also completely without leaving any remainder, then then this number will be the finally SCF of all the three numbers. See that 40, 10 4 ja 40. So you can see that SCF is equal to 40. SCF is equal to 40. In last class 5th also you have done these kind of question. Okay, now just see what is the next question. See that now beta, 36, 45 and 72. 36, 45 and 72. Okay, now see that how I am doing. Firstly divide, they already are in increasing order. First divide 36 by 45. Okay, see that now beta, 36 is in, if one times only it will go, 36 1 the 36. Okay, then 15 minus 6 9. 9. Now by this remainder 9 you will divide this 36. Okay, 9 4 ja 36 completely. There is no remainder now. Okay, now write that SCF of 36 and 45 is 9. Okay, now by this 9 you will divide which number? 72. 9 8 ja 72. There is no remainder. So hence SCF of these numbers, SCF of these numbers is 9. No, because it has divided completely to all the given three numbers. Okay, again come to the C part beta, and C part is 45, 64 and 27. Now you can see that these numbers are not in an ascending order. So what you will do? First arrange them in ascending order. 27 firstly come, then 45 will come, and then 64 will come. Now divide 27 to 45. If 2 times we will divide, it will be greater than 45. So once it will go. 27 1 ja 27. 15 minus 7 8. Here 3 minus 2 1. Okay. Now divide by this remainder to 27. Again only one time it will go. 18 1 ja 18. Okay. 7 it will become 17. Minus 8 9. Okay. Now 9 divided this 18, and up to where we will do? Till that the remainder will not become 0. This process will go till that the remainder will not become 0. Now see that beta, 9 2 ja 18. 9 2 ja 18. Okay, now remainder has become 0. So SCF of, I am writing here, SCF of 27 and 45 is what? Last divisor 9. Okay, now by this 9 you will divide. Now by this 9 you will divide. See that now beta, SCF has come 9. Now by this 9 you will divide 64. Okay, so you can see that in 9's table 64 never it will come. It will never come. So what you will do? So there is no common factor. How you will write? There is no common factor. In 64 and 9. So in this case what will be the SCF? So SCF of these numbers 27, 45 and 64, okay, is what it will be? 64 is 1 only. What will be its SCF? 1. You can see that if I will divide here, I will try to find, you can see that 64. 9 7 ja 63. Okay. Or I am trying to find it also. Ab now what remainder will come? 1. 9. 1 9 ja 9. Okay. So you can see that last divisor is 1. So SCF will be this 1. In this case also it is coming. SCF is equal to 1. So you can write that SCF is equal to 1. SCF is equal to 1. Okay beta. Now come to the next one. Come to the next one. What is that? C part we had done beta. Now come to the D part. Come to the D part. And what is D part? 12, 24 and 36. 12, 24 and 36. First divide 24 by 12. 12 2 ja 24. Okay. So SCF of 12 and 24 is last divisor. Last divisor is 12 only. Is 12. Okay. So divide this 12 by 36. If it will divide completely to 36, then SCF will be 12. 12 3 ja 36. Again the remainder has become 0. So the last divisor which finally making the remainder as 0, that will be your SCF. So SCF is equal to 12. SCF is equal to 12. Okay. So here don't be afraid beta. Like that na, here we were seeing that by 64 table and in 9th table 64 in, you just continue your division beta. You just continue your division till that the remainder will not become 0. And in this condition we have seen that na 9 7 ja 63. 1 is remainder. So 1 can divide every number. 1 can divide to every number up to how many times? To the number of times will be same as the number, because in 1 comes in every table. Okay. 1 comes in every table. 1 जो है बेटा वो सबकी टेबल में आता है. ठीक है. और कितनी बार आता है? जितनी बार वो नंबर होता है. कितनी बार क्वोशिएंट आएगा? इफ सपोज आई वुड लाइक टू डिवाइड 1 by 204. Okay. I would like to divide 1 by 204. So how many times it will come? Quotient will be 204. 1 ja 204, like that. Okay. So don't be confused or don't be afraid. Okay. So you can see that here last divisor came 1. So it will be your SCF. And here in these numbers you have seen last divisor has 12. So it will be your SCF. 1 or 2 more part I am going to do. See that up to D part I have done. Now see that 20, 28 and 36. 20, E part 20, 28 and 36. See that now. Okay beta. First already they are in increasing order. So divide by 20 to 28. Till that the remainder will not become 0. Till that the remainder not become 0. Okay. See that 21 1 ja 20. What remainder has come? 8. Now by this remainder you will divide the previous divisor 20. See that 18 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. What is your remainder now? 4. Now by this 4 you will divide this divisor. Okay. 4 in 8. 4 2 ja 8. Now the remainder has become 0. So the last divisor is 4. So SCF of 20 and 28 is 4. SCF of 20 and 28 is 4. Okay beta. Now by this 4 you will divide 36. And you can see that directly in 4 table 36 sum 4 9 ja 36. So remainder has become 0. So what was the last divisor? Final divisor. Final divisor is 4. Hence SCF is 4. Hence SCF is 4. See that now. Next question beta. F part. Okay. And in F part what you will? 106, 159 and 265. First divide 106 to 159. Okay, if 2 ja we will take, it will become greater than 159. So 1 ja it will go 106. Now see that 9 minus 6, 3 and 5. Now 53 to 106. If 2 ja I will take, it will become 2 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 106 it will become. So see that SCF of 106 and 159 is 53, is 53. Okay, now by this 53 you will divide 265 till that its remainder also will not become 0. Now see that 53 5 ja I am taking, 53 into 5 I am doing. Okay, 5 3 ja 15, 1 carry, 5 5 ja 25 or 1 26. So you can see that how many times it is going directly, 5 times, 265. So what will be your SCF? The number which finally making the remainder 0. So SCF is equal to 53. SCF is equal to 53. I am hoping that everybody of you have understood up to here. In this, for making you understand, I have completed most of the part of the given question so that you may understand. Okay, so in this way up to F part, I have completed beta. Okay, one more part I am going to complete, that is G part, that is beta G part. Okay, or not G part, I am doing now H part. That is difficult, and then G, I and J part you will do yourself. H is 1492, 1942 and 2592. It is bigger number, biggest. Okay, see that they already are in increasing order. See that 1492, you just perform division in 1942. 1 ja it will go 1492. Okay, see that now 2 minus 2 0, here 14, 14 minus 9 5, here 8 minus 4 4, 450. Now see that 1492. Okay beta, now see that 4 3 ja 12 है ना, 4 3 ja 12, 3 times it will go 3 0, 3 5 ja 15, 1 carry, 3 4 ja 12 or 1 13. Now see that 2 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 beta 4. Okay, and 4 minus 3 1. Now in by 142 in 45, 450. Now see that beta 3 times it will go. Okay, and 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 1 carry, 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4, 426. Now see that 10 minus 6 4, here 4 will remain, 4 minus 2 2, 24 divided 142. See that now, beta 24 into, if I will multiply by 24 times, 24 to 6 times, 144 will be, come. So it will be greater. So how many times division will go? 5 times. 5 4 ja 20, 2 5 2 ja 10 or 2 12. Okay beta. Now see that 2 and 4 minus 2 again 2. Okay, 24 divide to 24. 22 divided to 24. So 22 1 ja 22. So what will be remainder now? 4 minus 2. I am completing here. 4 minus 2 2. Here I am doing 4 minus 2 2 and 2 minus 2. Now this 2 by 22. So 11 2 ja 22 finally. So what is the last divisor? Last divisor is 2. Last divisor is 2. Okay, so now SCF of 1492 and 2592 is 2. So divide by this 2 to 2592. 2592. How many times it will go? See that now. it will be completely divisible by 2. This 2592 will be completely divisible by 2. See that here now. Now see that 2 1 ja 2. Now write that 5. Okay. 2 2 ja 4. 5 minus 4 1. You just make division finally. Okay. 9. 2 9 ja 18. 1 2. 2 6 ja 12. So you have seen that this 2 has completely divided this number 2592. Now in final way, when the two numbers will left, at that time we can perform simple division also. So we have seen that because here nothing remainder was left, so we will not do in that way. Simple division you can perform in this way. You have seen that here now that not any remainder is left. Okay, so what will be your SCF? SCF will be beta 2. SCF is equal to 2. So what will be your homework now? See that now homework of in today's class, with what homework you are going to do. Up to F part I have completed. After that G, okay, H I have completed. I and J part your homework part, and you will show me that homework through your WhatsApp number, and all the children will do. I am watching every day beta. You people are not looking the videos and not taking see everything very seriously and follow the instruction, because next month again when your half yearly exams will come, at that time otherwise it will create problem for you. Till that, thank you and have a good day to all of you.